Hi everyone, my name is Nick and I'm co-founder and CEO at Assister. And the next panel going to be about AI agents and basically data AI. And I'm going to be presenting you Assister and tell a little bit more about what we're doing and why we're here. So we're building a network of specialized language models and agents. And the reason why I'm here, because we just recently launched a campaign of data providers. And we're already collaborating with one robotic company who is creating full-size humanoid robots. And they are using basically our SLM, small language models, specialized models and agents as a brain system for their hardware. And another program that we recently launched is basically taking DePIN project data for agents that are on our platform. So hope it's going to be interesting. Couple words about Assister. So we have three components. First, it's AI Lab, where you can create agents in up to 10 minutes. It's a no-code tool. It's very easy to use, nothing complicated. So the entry barrier is relatively very small. Then we have AI Store, where you can monetize agents. So we have a lot of people right now. It's more than 17,000 agents deployed already on Assister who created this agent, who start monetizing it, who have access to our community. And right now we have more than 2.5 million registered users. And the latest one is going to be introduced early next week. It's Tokenization Hub, where you can come and launch basically tokenize, crowdfund your project if you want to go to the next level and scale it. So just a couple numbers, 2.5 million users, it's just 1 million plus over the last 30 days. We're growing fast while we're on the market since early 23, but rapid growth just happened right now because we tune the narrative, tune the positioning, tune the way how we communicate and what we're offering for our community. And also 16,000 plus agents already on the platform. Which is a lot. We introduced a couple of days ago monetization for deployment of agents. If anyone, maybe after this talk, will guess the closest number, how many paid agents we already have, I'll give you a very good hardware wallet later on. What crypto is good for. I know that yesterday I was giving a pitch and I was competing with these red graphs, everyone just sitting on a phone and just panicking about the token prices. But if we start thinking about let's get back to the fundamentals, crypto is good for just several things. Of course, DePIN is a big direction. It's still experimental, but the base use case that onboards many people is just pure speculation. That's where most people get in. I don't know how you get in, but most of my friends, most of people back in 2017 when I joined space, it was the initial driver. Then another big section where I effectively see product market fit is DeFi, where we have payments, where we have yield farming, where we have stable coins and many other things. It effectively works. It just makes all the financial system, traditional financial system, efficient and add value. And the last thing, it's tokenization. It's where the DePIN happening, where real world assets happened, where we had art, where we had where we're gonna have AI in general as the broader market. And why we need it? Because it's bring us hyper liquidity. It bring us opportunity to fractionalize ownership among many people. And it's also opportunity to give fair access to the market, because right now, if any of us want to get a stake in OpenAI, it's impossible. If we want to get a stake in this top models, it's almost impossible. Only very close community of people and funds can get the access. And also, it provides transparency and control or monitoring. Depends on which side of the game you are. If you're on a government level, you can benefit from control. If you are on our side, you can benefit from just trustworthiness, and you can be sure that this model, this data is true. It doesn't bring any biasness and so on. But then AI market predicted to be 15.7 trillion added value by 2030. It's a huge money, and this market could and should be tokenized because it's basically provides two things out of three that I just mentioned before. It brings a fractionalized ownership, which a lot of people care about and excited about. It brings transparency. And AI agents, it's effectively the edge frontier right now, because AI agent can bring a lot of value. They can automate a lot of work. They can make our day-to-day routine much more easier through the automation. And But there is a problem. Agents, as so, AI tokens just like pledge or like 90-95% over the last 3 months. But is it a bug or feature? Like that's a big question. And the problem is, which I see personally, there was zero revenue, zero utility, and some projects were traded between $1 up to $4 billion, which is insane and doesn't make sense. Many of you build in like real companies, and you understand that there should be revenues, there should be something behind that, not just pure idea. And it's not a bug, it's a feature, like because we're in crypto. And the guys from A16Z, they just presented on a previous cycle, I believe, this graph, which saying like, hey, crypto market is actually moving in totally different ways that you heard from YC, like typical startup combinators, whatever else. So initially we have a price pump, then we have a lot of interest to the space. This interest brings new ideas and effectively new startup emerged. I believe with the DePIN, it's somehow similar. So there was some group of startups who raised and then like effectively they delivered and like more and more people coming. So with the AI agents, it's effectively the same stuff. The only difference, AI agent on a macro level, it's super bullish narrative. It's like, it's definitely there. There is billions of dollars. There is a lot of capital. There is a lot of VC money. There is a lot of companies who keep building. While in crypto is just like destroyed narrative, maybe for 1 month, maybe for 2 months, maybe for longer. So what is our unique angle? We believe that agents that are tokenized that should be backed by real business. And big stuff that we see is that agentic economy are going to be cannibalizing and eating SaaS businesses, because SaaS businesses, they operate with revenue, but they don't have this like speculative upscale, while with crypto we can do it. And SaaS, they are quite slow. So like Netflix took 3.5 years to grow to 1 million users, Dropbox 7 months, DeepSeek 14 days. Why? Because it's easier. There is zero cost, almost zero cost if you launch an agent with different platforms, and a lot of opportunity. So another critical point is that agentic economy is way bigger than a SaaS. Like if you think about agent human interaction, which SaaS is doing, agent to agent interaction, it's going to be like many times bigger market, because all these agents that are doing and automating some daily tasks, they also need some additional like subtask execution, and they're going to be ready to pay for this with crypto, maybe with fiat. It depends like how far away it will go. So within this scheme, crypto AI agent, crypto AI and AI agent, we need to replace AI agent with specialized agents. So why? Because it's already there. They have stable, sustainable revenue. They have already generating profits. They have real utility. We're already paying and using tons of SaaS on a daily basis. And what is important, it's already established like market. It's like 266 billion market in 2024, and it's keep growing. There is like a lot of space to grow. But there is, of course, challenges. And like we as a team, we're working on challenges around multi-agent coordination, because we have a big ecosystem with 16,000 agents, and we expect much bigger numbers by the end of the year. We are solving the problem how to coordinate, how to orchestrate agents in a way that by combining 10, maybe 15, 20 agents, we can effectively get much better results. And it's called basically agentic approach. OpenAI 01 model and many other models, they turn into that space. But the difference between us and them, we have effectively different knowledge base behind the agent, and we have different teams who are working on this agent, making them highly efficient and productive, instead of one entity who is developing everything in centralized way. Second thing that we're working on is also how to distribute rewards, because if you have 10 agents that participated in solving one problem or executing some solution, there is a question how to distribute, like $10, $100 that you get from the user. It's a big question. There is still a lot of iteration. And of course, like agent reputation and scoring, it's something that's going to be helping us to differentiate good, highly valuable agent from bad agents or just agents that doesn't perform well. And we have also builder challenges. So that was the ecosystem challenges. And for builders, we see that people and developers and builders who join us, they have some missing things. And like tech skills, it could be a problem. Data, it's a huge problem, because high quality data define would it be your agent and model productive and efficient and earning money, or just like lose the game and lose the competition. And that's where I encouraging you to chat and see how we can use your data, how we can integrate and make it available also for our agents and our community. And distribution and monetization tokenization. So not everyone has all skills needed to launch the agent, to make them successful, to monetize and do a lot of other things. So we as ecosystem, we provide no-code tools for builders, and also we matching them with the data providers through our marketplace. Another part, we have 2.5 million users. It's free revenue, free distribution channel, because none of the platform in space providing you access to 2.5 million users for free. And we are doing it because we're interested to establish ecosystem and drive the adoption. Then we also have go-to-market incubator, where we already launched 2 agents. They're already, in terms of crypto speculative, metrics, they already traded at around 55 million FDV and 20-something million FDV. So that is also another part how to attract another agent builders and another agents to ecosystem, because they know that they're going to be successful with us. And of course, tokenization hub. It's something that there is a lot of agentic frameworks and agentic platforms in a space, even in Web2 world. But the point is they are not good with tokenization. They are not good with incentives. They are not good with incentivizing community to contribute and participate into ecosystem. And we're providing this framework. It's pretty good, pretty solid. Go and try. That's it from my side. You have all what you need. Go and build. Happy to chat with you, and reminding you, if you will guess the closest number of paid agents that we already deployed on our marketplace over the last 4 days, I will give you hardware wallet. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.